Oh, that's not good. I almost got stung by these little guys. I'm going to show you how to quick remove them. We've got Spectracide Wasp and Hornet Killer. I've been using Spectracide brand for a while. It's good and cheap. Wait to do this until the sun goes down. And they're docile and they're in their home. We're just going to run like heck here. Really soak them good. Oh, they're angry. Oh, they're angry. I got so much dripping out there. They should die in no time. This stuff's got real quick knockdown on contact. Look at that. Don't mess with me, wasps. You're done for. Anyway, this is just a quick fun video. I want to show you guys how to kill some wasps. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. To be honest, that's like the worst place for you guys to build a wasp nest, right where I reach my hand under here to open up the tailgate. Thanks, guys.